Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making a blackened salmon steak. Blackening was invented and popularized by Paul Prudhomme in the 1970s or early 1980s. We previously used an air fryer to make this. I'm currently going to do it on the stovetop because I've never done it before and it seems really freaking easy. You don't need an air fryer for this crap. So I'm still using store-bought blackening seasoning. If you don't want to use that, you can make your own. And if you think I should make my own, let me know in the comments below. We're going to start by liberally hitting this on one side with the blackening powder. Liberally. You don't need to salt it because there's salt in the powder. Then we're going to step over to my hot cast iron skillet, which is probably too hot because it's smoking. And we're going to make our 2 tablespoons of butter dance. I love making butter dance. Then we're going to throw our salmon steak, seasoned side down, on the skillet. And we're going to let it cook for 5 minutes. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And while it's on there, I'm going to hit the other side. It's a thick steak. I'm not afraid of over-seasoning. I love a good salmon steak. I also love a good salmon fillet. And if you get the fillets but not the steaks, you can make a sandwich. This has a big bone in the middle though. Okay, 5 minutes. We're going to flip. And it should be black. It should be blackened. That's why it's called blackening seasoning. Now this isn't quite regulation, but I like the skin crispy. So sometimes I turn it on the side to get the skin too. Okay, did we over blacken? Did we under blacken? Time to find out. We definitely under blackened. Now my lovelies, this happens to everybody now and then. Sometimes you pull it out, it's not done. Sometimes you take a bite out of it, it's not done. What do? You just throw it back on. Throw it back on like a normal person. It'll be okay. Now that said, you should absolutely use a thermometer. Thermometers are your friend in the kitchen. Hopefully we got it. This is my only salmon steak. This show operates without a can. I'm a teacher, I'm on break, and I'm getting ready for the holidays. So this is going out regardless, even if I failed miserably. Let's see how I did. Oh, and that's looking much better this time. Very good. I kind of like it with a little lightness in the middle, but not raw. You know, I don't like raw. Raw is bad. Unless it's, you know, sushi. It's tasty. This would be great with some sides. I think I'm going to bake a potato or something. Okay. Like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Thanks for watching. It's been a couple years. And I'll see you in the new year. Bye.